How to be a good observer? Guys, most of the things in life, when we were a child, you remember when words were not supported, we were not able to speak anything, but we learned with the observation. Don't you think so? The first thing before using the word, what we learn is observation. Guys, I'll tell you a simple example. I'm basically from Jalgaon. My maternal uncle's son, who was almost 4 to 5 years younger to me, unfortunately he was not able to attend the school. They are farmers, and they generally don't believe in that particular time. I'm talking about some 20-25 years back. They were not strong belief in that everyone should go to school and take their formal education. Okay, and they were farmers, and you can just imagine the mentality at that point of time. There were people were not giving that enough importance to education, and because of that, this mentality, my brother, who is my maternal brother, he remained illiterate. But guys, though he is illiterate, today he is working in one of the top multinational company as a clerk. Yes, he could not reach at that level where he always wanted to reach. He reached that level where he was not supposed to reach. There is a difference. Being a illiterate, he was not able to read. He was not able to speak properly. He was not able to write properly, but he still able to reach at that position where very few people could reach. So one day I asked him what is the secret of his his success, because I am consider this as a success, because a guy who has never seen the face of school but still working in a good company where he is doing writing emails, using smartphones, okay, and using emails and everything. So he revealed that initial few days he just observed how people speak, he just observed how people write. You are using smartphone, and everybody is in today's time, everybody is using WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram and social media very effectively and actively. So he also started using the social media. The way people interacted, hi, how are you, good morning, good afternoon, had your lunch, and all these things, he started learning. He started all these expressions. So this is all his observation. Though he was not knowing the words, expressions, spellings and everything, so he started observing people, what is being told or what is being said when someone asks you, how are you? So in that reply, he started giving reply, I am good. So this is a small word. So how you learned? He learned just because of the observation skill. I would consider this as a skill, because you have to be a good observer. If you have to learn something, you have to be a good observer. Suppose you want to learn acting. I am giving an example here. All the actors or the aspirant actors, they first observe the master of the acting first. For example, Naseeruddin Shah, I consider him as a master of acting. So if I want to learn acting, I will first observe what Naseeruddin Shah is doing, his facial expression, his dialogue delivery, the way he carry himself on the camera. This is all because of the this is all you can do with the observation. So whether you want to learn any skill or you want to not learn skill, first you have to learn how to observe. The observation plays a vital role in human life, guys. You won't believe. In your ancient times, where there were no language, there were no there were so many things. So we used to express through observation. We used to express our emotions through observations. And sometime you have to reply your emotions with observation. I hope I'm able to express myself with, you can observe, if I am not speaking anything, the pan and pause technique, before you go on a stage, people observe you whether you are a good speaker or not, with your body language, with your eye contact, because before speaking a words, with the observation, you speak lot of things. So guys, this is my perspective on the observation. Not necessary you should follow all these things, but I want to share my perspective here. This is Vishal More signing out until we meet next. Thank you.